now continue the tour to our third destination for day 1, the Bali Kuno Luwak coffee.
And this is the Arabica coffee. The small leaf and more bigger bean. This one. And low caffeine. And another coffee, the leaf more bigger and the bean more small and high caffeine. We have vanilla. This vanilla stick. Vanilla. In here we use for vanilla coffee. And then we have ginseng from Korea. Ginseng.
Ginseng.
Yeah. In here we use for ginseng coffee. Good for energy, for stamina. And then we have the special animal we call luwak in Bali. You know luwak coffee? Yeah, from this animal.
What coffee?
Luwak coffee. Yeah. They eat coffee bean, throw out the skin and swallow the bean. And then the bean the fermentation of stomach about 3 hours. And then throw out with the poop. And then the poop we color and we process luwak coffee. Very low caffeine and good for healthy. You already tried before?
Okay.
Later you can try and then you can compare with the Bali coffee. It's very different.
Okay.
You like coffee?
Yeah.
Durian. You see on the top?
Also have durian here.
Yeah. And also we have mangosteen tree. You know mangosteen?
Yeah.
In here we use for tea. Yeah, but now it's not season. We don't have for the fruit. We use from the skin of the fruit because the skin like a medicine, good for antioxidant, anti-cancer.
It's supplement.
And then in here we have Balinese house. Yeah, so every house have uncle in the front like this one. Energy, like a security in the house. We operate also every day in here, like to say thank you for the God. The name is Aling Aling. And also in here we have a lot of the building, different location and different function. And look at under it, we have Balai Dangin building. Is it for wedding ceremony, Balinese birthday, and for baby ceremony, not for sleeping. Yeah, just for ceremony in Balai Dangin. On the west, we have Loji or Balai Dau. This is for the boys. For the boys, sit in Balai Dau. And also for welcoming the guests. Yeah, in Bali, separate room. And for the girl before married, on the north, in Gedong or Balai Daje. And also we have traditional music. We call rindik in Bali.
Was able to try their traditional instrument pero wala talaga tayong talent sa mga ganyan.
So every house have a small temple inside like this one. We operate to time in the morning and evening.
All of the houses here in Bali. All of the houses in Bali, they have this
Yeah,
one.
have a small temple. And then in here we have a lot of the spice. The first we have aromatic ginger. You can smell.
What's this?
Aromatic ginger. In here we use for cooking and for body scrub.
And this is our gingers. This one,
Ginger,
turmeric.
galangal, and you know this one? This is the poop from the animal, from the luwak. After we collect in our jungle. And then we wash by hot water for hygiene. And after that we fill the skin one by hand. And then we have this. Not like a poop.
It's like nuts.
Yeah. It's after
Beans.
clean. And after that we roasting over there. Yeah. to step in. This Arabica from the luwak. And then after clean, we process over there. This cocoa bean, cacao. Yeah. In here we use for hot chocolate. Yeah, in the process I'm also like coffee. So after clean, yeah, we put in here. We roasting until black color, maybe until 2 hours, because we make the small fire for good smell and good taste. And then after you get the smell and black color, it's ready to ground it. Yeah, we ground it in here until we get the powder. And after we ground it, the last process we filter. See the last process. And then you can smile. This is the Bali coffee from Robusta. This is the luwak coffee from the India. Very different. Different taste, different smell, and different function. And the luwak very low caffeine because the luwak is Arabica coffee and have a fermentation and stomach. And then next, you can see activity Balinese people. Is it make a channel for offering? Is it special for woman job? Maybe you want to try? Make a channel for offering. No? Okay. And next, in the last building, we have traditional kitchen. We call paon in Bali. You can see. Yeah, and also for the couple sleep in kitchen. Yeah. And is it our product in here? All of the coffee and all of the
turmeric, lemongrass, hot chocolate, mangosteen, lemon tea, and the last ginger tea. And this, the special coffee from the animal, is luwak coffee. And then with cassava chips and peanut chips.
Do we need to put sugar?
Is it still sure? Is it still pure? If you like, you can add with sugar.
How about the others?
Already with little bit honey, not sugar.
It's coffee time. So we were able to try the different kinds of coffees and teas that are all good for the health. Next attraction is the Bali swing. They have different options of swings to choose from. You can check our TikTok account for our Bali swing experience. And for the fifth attraction, hindi na tayo lalayo pa, the Tigalalang Rice Terraces. Next is the Monkey Forest in Ubud. After namin mag-swing, we will now watch the monkeys naman na nagsiswing. On our way to the Monkey Forest, hindi pa kami nakakarating sa ticketing booth, sobrang daming monkeys na sa paligid. When you visit here, makikita nyo dito yung 3 temples, various kinds of trees, and definitely yung mga monkeys. You can just walk around here and enjoy the serene atmosphere. Sobrang lapad ng place and sobrang dami ng mga monkeys. So you should know the guidelines para maiwasan yung mga unexpected happenings. You shouldn't touch the monkeys unless there is someone who will assist you. Monkey Forest is a great activity with kids. Children are likely to love watching the monkeys climb, play, and fed. Before we went home, we were able to pass by to our last attraction, which is the Ubud Market. Malapit lang kasi siya sa hotel namin.
So that's it for today. See you our next destination buddies. Bye!